Welcome to the Wells Fargo mobile app guide. Let's dive into the features that make banking on the go a breeze. With the Wells Fargo app, you can easily manage your accounts, make mobile deposits, and pay your bills all in one place. Take control of your finances with our budgeting tools and personalized spending insights directly in the app. Let's set up the app together. Follow this simple step-by-step guide to create your first account. Navigating the user interface is easy. Here are some tips to ensure you get the most out of the app. Encountering problems? Don't worry, we have solutions for common issues like login problems and app crashes. Keep your app secure by setting up two-factor authentication and using strong passwords. Need help? Explore our in-app resources, including FAQs and direct contact support. To wrap up, we've explored the best features of the Wells Fargo app. Don't hesitate to reach out for help with any issues. Download the Wells Fargo app today and share your experiences with us.